If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press all bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, let us prepare a board using cardboard and this is handmade paper which is used to paint watercolors and acrylic colors. This side it has a matte finish. Now I am going to cut this wheat flour paste. I prepared the paste using wheat flour. Wheat flour paste is best organic adhesive. We can add a little white glue to it. We can use only the wheat flour. White glue is optional. Before applying over the cardboard, you can use a mason blade to spread it uniformly over the cardboard. With the handmade sheet we can also cover even the back side so that it will be a perfect board. See, this is a perfect board. It is almost like a canvas board with a matte finish. Now to this wheat flour paste, I am adding Wallputty powder. Add little water to it. I think I can add some more Wallputty. Mix it well to a smooth paste. If you want, you can add even little white glue to it, but it is not necessarily to add white glue since we have wheat flour paste. It gives more binding to the Wallputty. I am taking a little paste out of it. And adding a little acrylic paint, acrylic colors to it. This is so beautiful. Again, I am adding the same wheat flour paste. White glue. Mix white glue and wheat flour paste thoroughly. Once it is mixed well, I am adding Wallputty. Mix wheat flour paste, white glue and Wallputty thoroughly. So the clay is quite sticky, so we need to add some more Wallputty. It is advisable to add Wallputty in batches. Still the clay is very sticky, so I am adding Wallputty powder for the third time. Clay is quite sticking to the hands, so I am adding little Wallputty powder. So it is sticking. Knead the clay well. As we knead the clay well, the clay becomes more soft. So the clay is sticking. You can use even both the hands. The clay is so soft. The clay is so rigid and strong. See, it is not sagging. I am applying fevicol here. Before using the clay, mix the clay well. Using the stick, you can create the beautiful texture. See the texture. Apply a white glue here. I want some bending here. Even if you bend the clay, it is not sagging. Previously, for the plain wall putty, I used to keep paper balls here. Now, no need to keep paper balls. The clay is so rigid. After a final varnish, this is the beautiful butterfly surrounded by beautiful flowers. Hope you like this video. If you like it, kindly subscribe and support my channel. Thanks for watching.